Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Verio TV, where we bring you easy do-it-yourself tech tips to make your life simpler. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut key to shut down your Windows computer in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, right-click on your desktop in the context menu. Hover over New and select Shortcut. Now you see a window asking for the location of the shortcut. Here's the magic command you need to enter. Shutdown space slash s space slash t space 0. Next, give your shortcut a name. I name mine shutdown. Next, want to customize the icon, click change icon and select from the available option or browse for your own. Now right click on your newly created shortcut and select properties. In the properties windows, navigate to the shortcut tab and click on the shortcut key field. Press the combination you want to use as your shortcut. I use with Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Before we proceed to the next step, if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also make a shortcut to the taskbar. Just drag it to the taskbar button. Then click apply and then OK to save your change. Now let's test it out. Press the shortcut key combination you assign and your computer will shut down easily. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to shut down your Windows computer with just a press of few key. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tech tricks. Until next time, happy computing!